For this project, you will need onion grass, foam, a vase, jute twine, a glue gun, and some black spray paint. Everything except the glue gun and the spray paint were all bought at the Dollar Tree. I won't get much of this sticker off, but I am going to try to get all of it off, or a majority of it off, even though you won't be able to see it once the project's done, but yeah. Now we're going to go ahead and get the jute twine and start unraveling it. I would highly suggest to unravel as much as you can before you start to glue it, because that'll make the gluing process easier. You're gonna see that I started in the middle of the vase. Initially I thought that I was only gonna do jute for half of the vase, but you'll see later on that I decided to just do the whole thing. And I would suggest that you go along and make sure you put some more hot glue along the jute. As you see here, just keep gluing as you continue to place the jute down. You can also, if you would like, decide to overlap the jute as you go, but I did that towards the top. Towards the bottom, I just overlapped, well, not overlapped it, but I just laid it beside each other. I felt like that gave more of a clean look, but of course you can do whatever your heart desires. I initially was gonna have this as a part of a Easter video that I was gonna do, like Easter decor, but you know, since all the craziness is going on in the world, I just thought to, I don't know, I may still upload some Easter stuff, but I really like this project, so I did not want it to go to waste. I've actually loved seeing it around my place. I just like how it turned out, and I hope you guys really enjoy it as well. Here's how the vase looks with all the jute wrapped around it. And now we're gonna go ahead and get to our foam. For this part, I should have definitely got a round foam block thing, whatever you want to call it. But I was thinking more in the aspect of getting something that I could use for different things. So yeah, I just made it round. Hoping you caught my drift there. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our onion grass, and since we got this onion grass from the Dollar Tree, it was only $1. It's not gonna look very expensive, so what we're gonna do is try to enhance that with some spray paint. Okay, this metallic spray paint from Walmart should only be like a few dollars. I don't want to say a price because I might be wrong. And with this spray paint, we're only gonna spray the top of this onion grass. Don't spray the whole thing, don't spray too hard, just lightly spray paint the top of the onion grass. And as you can already see, the spray paint is giving it like a transition at the top into a darker color, of course, which would, you know, suggest that the plant is alive, but we all know that it's not. Well, at least us watching this video know that it's not. But yeah, that's the whole idea of this spray paint, just to make it look more alive, not so fake and Dollar Tree-ish. Don't ask me what I was doing in this part, okay? I just feel like what I was doing made it look a little better. Now we're gonna go ahead and start sticking our onion grass inside of our foam.